welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm so freaking excited and so thankful and grateful to every single one of you. I was able to reach my 1,000 subscriber goal on YouTube and I'm so excited and thrilled. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you guys for being so engaging and so sweet to me. And you guys are like, honestly, you guys are like the best freaking thing ever. So for today's video, I'm so excited to announce a giveaway. So excited! I can't believe I'm actually doing a giveaway. I never thought I would ever do this kind of stuff. There's gonna be 2 winners. The rules are so simple. All you need to do is be subscribed to my channel. Number 2, comment down below your Instagram, a way that I can get a hold of you. Just let me know that you wanna be entered into the giveaway. And rule number 3, you need to be following me on Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and link it right here. That's all you gotta do. So the giveaway will be ending on January 15th. I wanna mention the giveaway is just domestic, so it is just here in the US. So let me stop rambling and let's just get into the prizes, all the goodies that I have for you. All right, so your winner number 1. So you are gonna be winning a Morphe brand new. By the way, all this stuff is untouched. So this is gonna be your first item, a Morphe 3503 palette. It's the Fear by Nature's palette. This is honestly one of my favorite palettes ever. I don't use it a lot on my channel because I just have all this stuff I'm trying out all the time, but honestly, it was one of these palettes that I always wanted and I'm super obsessed with that one. And you're also going to be winning this gel liner from Morphe. It's in the color Deja Blue. They're very pretty. It's just like a blue gel liner. So cute. I saw this online. I don't use gel liners like this. This is so cute. I got 2 lipstick for you as well. We have a Morphe Rouge lipstick in the color Stephanie. It's like a red lipstick. And then we have another Morphe lipstick. It's a little bit more of an orangey tone. So beautiful. It's like a fiery orangey red. It's called Tease. And then the last thing you're gonna get is a highlighter stick from Morphe. So this is good to use it like on your brow bone, on here, your tip of your nose. That's prize number 1. And then prize number 2 is going to be the Morphe and Manny MUA palette. And this palette is so beautiful. And what I love most about it is that it has a highlight. I think it has 2 highlights. So it's gonna be this one. It's all brand new in its packaging. Really pretty palette. The next thing is, one of my favorite things. You're gonna be winning the Babes Faves brush kit. So this is the Morphe Babes Faves. So this is like the favorites for like not babes. I guess most people's favorites eye brushes. And it comes like this. It comes with, let's see here, 15 brushes. Super excited to whoever wins this. I love brushes. I can live with brushes for the rest of my life. And then the last thing for this prize is going to be a Morphe lip kit. So this is gonna be with 3 shades here. I'm super excited for the winners of this contest. And once again, I cannot thank you enough for subscribing. So let's go ahead and jump to the video. For today's video, I'm gonna be talking about my favorite fall lipsticks. I'm gonna be doing some swatches on my lips. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And go ahead and like the video if you do like it. So let's just jump into it. All right, we're gonna start with the first lipstick that I actually already have on my lips. It is going to be the Kylie Jenner Lip Kit in the color Boss. This lipstick wears so comfortably on the lips and it lasts so long. It doesn't come off in a good way though. You know what I mean? It's not like a tattoo or anything, but it's such a beautiful, true apple red lipstick. And I honestly freaking love it. It pairs so nicely for any fall looks. Obsessed. Next is going to be the ABH Lip Glass in the color Rum. What I love most about this is how beautiful and shiny it is, but it's not sticky. I love how beautiful this color is. It's such a beautiful tone of like rummy-ish. I don't know how to explain it. It's like the perfect fall lipstick. Next is the ABH Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Days. It wears so comfortable on the lips and it glides on like butter. This one was gifted to me by a coworker and I can't thank her enough for it. It is a stunning rose mauve kind of a color and it's just so freaking beautiful. Stays on so nicely all day. So comfortable to wear. Obsessed. All right, next, this one is probably my most complimented lipstick. The formula on these lippies is unlike any formula I've ever tried. They go on as in like they're creams and then they dry down to like a powderish, which is called like powder puff. It's like a little puff. I don't know how to explain it, but it's so nice.
This tone of color is so stunning for this kind of look that I have, like those peachy kind of looks. It goes so well with it, and it just makes your lips look so soft. And my next lipstick is the MAC Mocha lipstick. This is my every single day work lipstick. So I would wear this every single day for work because I like wearing nudes, but I don't like those kind of nudes that make you look dead. It is the perfect toned down peachy nude. On to the next. My next lipstick is something I didn't like a long time ago, but I like it now. It's MAC Whirl. This color is more of a brownie nude, and it just gives me full-on 90s vibe. At first I didn't like it, but then now I realize it's a perfect winter lipstick to go with any winter looks. On to the next, Stila in the color Rubinks. It's a beautiful ruby berry red, and oh my gosh, you guys, like I get so many compliments on this because this red is a little bit more deeper than the cherry red, and it looks so stunning and so romantic. It's like perfect for a date night. My next favorite, most ever Stila lipstick is called Vino. Oh my gosh, you guys, the formula on these are so beautiful and comfortable. They glide on like perfection. Such a beautiful plummy color. This next lipstick is Milani Teddy Bear. I always recommend this from the drugstore. It's one of my favorite lipsticks because it's so easy to apply. It stays on a good amount of time. It's very creamy, and it's like a perfect brown nude. Okay, this one right here, you guys. Gingerbread Man from Too Faced. Look at how gorgeous this color is. It just takes any look to the next level with that lipstick. Alright, this next lipstick is the lipstick I wear on a date night with a leather jacket. Just like that. All the time. Beautiful, glossy, and it's just perfection for a night out. And last, this one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Stripped. It is a beautiful khaki nude color. This will tone down any fall look that you do without looking dead. Like it's that perfect nude.
Alright guys, that completes my favorite lipsticks. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Just go ahead, enter the giveaway. Good luck to all of you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.